Thank you. Hey guys, so I started the vlog late, so it's actually lunchtime right now. Hi guys, it's Monday. You know, Auntie Carly, what you want? What you so enough? What you so enough it?
Wait,
No fish so much. Go up. You can't get my black camera.
We have to go to school, but school was boring and actually not
School was boring and not fun.
No.
Oh, special life. Yes guys, I was saying that today is Monday. It's Monday afternoon. Actually heading home from work. But so yeah, disturb the vlog. But daddy call and some must wait for him in Kelly, so me wait for him right now. I don't know if you're not here, hopefully not here. So yeah, welcome to the channel.
And click the subscribe.
It's subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
We not say bye, we just start the vlog.
Bye.
So let's get into the vlog.
Let's get into the vlog and bye.
I'm not telling bye so much time. Anyways guys, so yes, it's a week in my life. Come baby, come right here. It's a week in my life, so you guys will see the rest of this week. So yes, I don't know what this vlog will be, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm home. I just how I want to go packing out that bread. Got some ramen. We got some turkey, and that's gonna be for lunch. Red rose. Try. let me show you Shanique. Look at him. Pull up the melon, Shanique. Pull up the melon. They not see you good, but yeah. Alright, yeah, so yeah, continue with the thing. We have Milo. We got some flour. We have got seasoning here. I don't know really I think in them orange seasoning or something like that. We got some sugar. Peas. We have coconut milk. And we have condensed milk. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so I am home. I am tired. I just finished packing out and all of that, so I'm gonna eat some melon. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull out this here. I'm tired, my head hurts, and I don't know why, so yeah. No? See something over here, so it'll beside my lunch pan.
What bag?
I didn't know what else you wanted.
You want to be Shanique, bro.
I don't know what you wanted, my sister.
It's under it's
Thank you.
I just needed that.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
My audience. So yes, we're gonna do a video right now, which is coming up before the vlog, hopefully. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finished filming. Actually starting prayer meeting for daddy, because he's in another meeting. Actually, I can actually take off this now. I was using it to film, because sometimes when I'm filming these videos, I'm not too like film with like just no sleeve like this, so I put on this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna chill for a bit. I need to actually go eat. My head is killing me, so I don't know. It can't be food, because I ate food today, so it can't be hungry. I don't know what it is, guys, but might hurt me from earlier on today. So yes, it is currently 6 something right now. I don't even remember the time, but it's after 6. I'm gonna chill. I don't know where to do. Me tired. And my head hurt me. Me need to go and get my bed. That me need to do. So yeah. Yes guys, I'll see you when I'm doing something else. Hi guys, so it is Tuesday morning. Just got up. Well, not just got up, I got up. I'm in the kitchen now trying to figure out what's for breakfast, because I can't figure out what we need for breakfast so we can eat. We'll have bread. That's, yeah, but it's what to go to bread. So I'm thinking of tuna, or what I call it, corned beef, or don't know what else. So those are the options. Don't know which one to choose. If it's up to me, I'm gonna choose the corned beef, but my sister don't necessarily like the corned beef, so I'm trying to find something that she likes. So I'm gonna know it. But anyways, let's get on to another day in this vlog. Oh yes, I ended up exercising yesterday, but I never remember to show it, so yeah, if I do this evening, I'll show it. Yeah, so we got a calendar, we have an organizer, I have my many books and folder jackets, like put papers and such in here. So I have some papers in this, like past papers and so on, that I keep in a box. Then those are some mats things in this box. I keep my farm broom in it because I have nowhere else to keep it. But this is the mat box, so yeah, that's that. I normally clean it out like at the end of the term, so, or the beginning of a term. This is supposed to throw away and whatever. So yeah, that is my desk. Nothing much. That's my timetable. Nothing much. So today's Tuesday, so quite a full day. So yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh. Something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh.
It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. So I'm at work. I'm the only one here, as of most times. So yes, I'll put my things in the fridge, and then I must start editing these vlogs because I need to put up one today. So yes.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something.
I'm gonna put you in it. Don't go in there. How are you? Come say something to the vlog. You know that, but I'm hi. Something nice. Can't tell them come out. No, something else. You can't manage it. I So tell the vlog about yourself. Please. Tell the vlog about yourself if you want to shout out. Go ahead. Jesus. Come tell the vlog about your channel name and stop stressing me out.
My channel name is SWENY. Blah blah blah.
Alright guys, so I just relaxed my hair. So my hair is freshly relaxed. Alright, so hair is done. Didn't film that because just always awkward to film. But anyways, just ending the vlog here. It is Friday night. I'm gonna have dinner in a second, and then I'm gonna chill and then go to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.